So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips, and also where we bring you the latest opportunities to crack hacks and upskilling insights every single day. So if you are passionate about data analytics, automations, and dashboarding tools like Power BI and Excel, then today's update is for you because Deloitte India, which is one of the big four global consulting giants, is hiring for the position of analyst, dashboards, and automation team, USI based in Hyderabad, India. So this is your chance to work on cutting-edge projects and tools with, while being a part of the inclusive and growth-driven culture. So let's break down everything you need to know from the role, responsibilities, skills required, and how you can apply it. Before diving into details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates because we bring three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. So now let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job is of analyst positions into dashboarding and automation team in based out of Hyderabad, and it's a full-time hybrid opportunity. So if you are let's understand a little bit about the daylight before jumping into the details. So basically the daylight, as we all know, that it's one of the big four consulting firm, and it's working at daylight means that you will get a lot of things to learn apart from, but not just a culture, you get a learning development opportunity and long career prospects as well. So shift time also they have mentioned for this role, which is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. And the key responsibilities for this particular role is going to be, as you can see over here. Okay, so as you can see, they have mentioned the responsibilities for this particular role, which is building dashboards and reports in Power BI, Tableau, and Excel, creating macros and automations using Excel VBA to save time and improve productivity, working with quality survey data and turning it into interactive dashboards. We'll also be involved into managing MS Access databases, integrating with SharePoint, and creating site pages, forms, and lists. You will also be involved into collaborating with national and global teams to meet business requirements, analyzing complex data, and helping leadership take data-driven decisions. The qualification required for this particular role is going to be okay. So you can see over here a bachelor degree in statistics or computer science related field, along with some experience they have mentioned, which is what experience, 2 to 5 years of experience is required. Yes, so minimum 2 to 5 years of experience is required for this particular role. So if you have 2 years of experience, you might get the analyst position. If you have 5 years of experience or 4 years plus experience, you might get senior analyst positions as mentioned in the JD. Along with that, they have also mentioned some of the technical expertise that they required, like advanced Excel knowledge, Power Query, pivot table, graphs, slicers, conditional formatting, customer filters. These are actually the part of the Excel. So knowledge of Excel macros again require hands-on Power BI and Tableau. Bonus skill is like if you have the SharePoint knowledge, Power Apps, SQL, Python, etc. And if you have exposure to generative AI tools, again it's a added advantage. So why you should join Deloitte? So at Deloitte you get global exposure, high impact projects, inclusive and collaborative work culture, career and development opportunity along with learning programs and mentorship. So these are some of the benefits of joining Deloitte. So if you're someone you enjoys automating, analyzing, and making an impact with data, then this role could be your perfect next step. So just head to the link in description. I have mentioned direct link to apply for this particular role and apply as soon as possible before the deadline. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. Just go check it out description and apply as soon as you can. And that's a wrap up on today's opportunity to break down for this particular role. And if this role excites you, don't hesitate, as I told, go and apply as soon as possible. And let me know in the comment sections if you are applying or what topics do you want me to cover next. Along with that, you also remember to know whether you are switching career or just starting out. We are here to guide you and bring a wonderful opportunity for you guys. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for the notes, for daily job updates, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out any wonderful opportunity from our end. And yeah, this was all about the wonderful opportunity. You can also join our WhatsApp and Telegram community where we share more and more jobs and also useful tips and tricks to get into the wonderful roles. So this was all about this wonderful opportunity. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.